Okay, so ETFs. What is a ETF? An ETF is an exchange traded fund, and that is traded on the stock market. Okay, ETFs are a great way to get you some good diversification across that entire index. An ETF, you're basically buying that entire index or the entire stock market, share market, whatever you want to call it. You're buying a very small piece of each company on that listed stock exchange. Okay, so they're a great way to sort of diversify and cover all your bets, basically, let's say. And generally, if the market's going up, then the value of your ETF will go up with that. But also, the downside of that, if the stock market is going down, then the value of your ETF will also go down. So that's something to be wary of. But also mindful of, if this whole stock market has gone down, it's a pretty good time to sort of be buying into these ETFs, exchange traded funds. So keep that in mind. If there's a big correction in the market, might jump in and buy into an ETF. And then when the market picks back up again, you'll be riding up with that momentum. One huge thing you need to look out for with exchange traded funds or ETFs is the fees that you pay. Okay, these are crucial. You want to be sort of looking in that sort of 0.5% and lower. Don't want to sort of be hitting around that 1.5. You're just going to erode into your gains over time and just really hurt the bottom line there. So try and look at those exchange traded funds that are sort of in that lower sort of, even 0.1, 0.2 would be great, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5 is still okay, but sort of the lower the better. New Zealand has got a great company called SmartShares. Definitely get on there, have a bit of a look. They've got a lot of different ETFs you can invest in, and their sort of fees are ranging from 0.3 to 0.5. And you can set up an automatically payment that comes in every month, comes out of your bank account, sort of set and forget, and slowly over time, you're investing into the markets that particular ETF is investing in. I personally invest with SmartShares. I think they're a great company. But do your own research, have a bit of a look. They've been around for a while, so get in there, have a bit of a look. Australia, you've got Vanguard. Vanguard does a lot of great different ETFs. Probably if you're looking at one, I would start with VAS. That's a great ETF that tracks the Australian stock exchange. Fees are only 0.09%. So the fees are minimal, and they pay quarterly dividends as well. So pretty good, both pretty good factors there. You get dividends every quarter, and you get minimal fees, and just follows the general momentum of the Australian stock market. So there's a couple of good sort of starting points to get you started at investing in the New Zealand and Australian ETFs. Great sort of hands-off, easy approach to investing in the stock markets, okay? Good sort of baby step into it before you start just randomly buying some old company that you got off a hot tip from your Uncle Gary at the barbecue. So, definitely recommend getting into some ETFs for your first sort of step into the market. That's all I got for you today, guys. If you like this video, hit the like button. And if you want to see some more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below. And we'll catch you next time. See ya.